Despite his recent exoneration, Richard Tuite will forever be linked to the stabbing death of 12-year-old Stephanie Crowe. Some have been skeptical of his ability to reacclimate to society, and Team 10 investigator Mitch Blocker found some of his less publicized crimes.
He may be free from prison, but Richard Tuite is not free from the skeptics. Leading them is the mother of the girl he stood accused of killing.
I just hope North County is aware that he's going to be out walking those streets and that people lock their doors.
Tuite's sister has said he will be welcome back in her Escondido neighborhood once he's out of state custody. He'll be on parole another 8 months because of an escape attempt while serving time for 12-year-old Stephanie Crowe's death. But with that most notorious crime wiped off his rap sheet, we found others not so quick to disappear. Court records buried deep in county archives show Tuite's first conviction coming in 1990 for stealing a car and evading an officer. 7 years later, he faced a conviction for using meth. Tuite is a diagnosed schizophrenic. Team 10 has asked state corrections officials about his ability to rejoin a community.
There are folks up in Escondido where his sister lives who are quite concerned about his release. Should they be? Is this a dangerous man?
Well, the fact that we decided to put him on state parole rather than county probation shows that he has a lot of need right now.
The state mandates Tuite spend his parole outside of San Diego County. With Team 10, I'm investigator Mitch Blocker.
Tuite will also have to register as a sex offender. He was convicted of harassing 2 underage girls 15 years ago.